it's Jenn Cline again. I'm here with Mentor Public Library for their holiday origami. We're on week 2 already, which is crazy. Today we're going to make a wreath, and I'm going to hold it up. It looks like this, and it takes 8 sheets of paper, and I'm going to start off by showing you how to cut a square from a rectangle. So you get yourself your rectangle paper, and you're going to take one corner, and you're going to fold it all the way across to make a triangle, and it's going to look like that. Now what you want to do is get your scissors, or in my case, I don't like using scissors, so I'll be folding and cutting. So you're going to cut off this excess paper at the bottom. In my case, I will be tearing it, fold it, and cut it, or tear it in my case. You open it up, and you have a perfect square. So what you're going to need for this project, this is the wreath, you're going to need 8 squares. So we're going to start off by taking 1 square, and you want to do it with the, well, I guess if you want the design, you want the design on the back side. So I'm going to start with the solid colored side, and I'm going to fold the whole piece of paper in half. Now I'm going to do that for all 8 sheets. So 1, 2. Now if you do this with 2 colors, that's fine. I'm choosing to use 4 different colors. Like I said, you need 8 sheets total. I'm going to start by folding them all in half. That one did not get torn properly. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, once you get your 8 pieces folded, you're going to take one corner from the top and you're going to fold it down. And then you're going to take the bottom corner and you're going to fold it up. So you're going to have a weird little piece of paper that's going to look like this. I'm going to do that on all of them. So corner down, corner up, corner down, corner up. Now these are great if you make them in red and green. They'll look fantastic on your Christmas tree. Or if you send them out to family members, they'll look really cute as cards. You can use it on the front of like Christmas cards if you do those kind of things. Thanksgiving wreaths are always nice too. You know, you do them in orange and brown for Thanksgiving, or I guess Cleveland Browns if you're a Cleveland fan. So let's see, we got 2 more to do. So 1. And the last one. Now that we've done all that lovely folding, we're going to unfold all of them and open them up. All right, so we're going to fold them, we're going to unfold them and open them up. Now when you're unfolding them, you're going to look at them and you're going to see that you've got a couple triangles here. So you've got your 2 triangles here. You've got this big weird triangle kind of arrowhead thing there, and you've got another triangle here. So we want them all. I want all of these to be facing in the same direction. So I like to put my triangle, my little separate triangles, they all go down at the bottom. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now once you have those, you're going to take one, and you're going to take your 2 individual triangles, and you're going to fold those to the inside, just like that. When I do it with just the individual triangles, you're leaving that big triangle in the back alone. You're going to end up reverse folding one of yours. So you see that I have one that goes this way and one that folds out. We're going to fold that one so that it comes to the inside. All right, so let's see, 4, here's 5, 6, and 7. Okay, now the next step is to close all of those. You're going to close each of them in half. All that fun stuff goes right to the inside. You have a bunch of things that kind of look like paper airplanes. And you'd be correct. That's how some paper airplanes start. Now the next part's going to be kind of tricky. So we've got our triangles on the inside. So these pieces are on the inside. You're going to have this triangle that's kind of hanging out here in the back. All right, so you're going to fold it down like that. And then I'd suggest reverse folding it, which means just fold it backwards. Now you're going to take one side and you're going to hold it with your hand You're gonna take your other side and you're gonna take your thumb and you're gonna put it to the inside, grab the crease at the top and pull it down so that you see a triangle. See, I take it like this and I pull it down, it creates a triangle. I'm gonna fold that whole part right to the inside. So I'm going to have something that looks like that. It's got a little Y in the back and whatnot. So we're gonna do that with all of them. We're gonna fold triangle back on one side, fold it forward, and then we're going to bring that to the center and fold it in. Nice and simple. We're going to do that 8 times total. That's 3. Here comes 4. You'll see with this too, you'll already have that triangle there. It's already ready to go. It's already creased from earlier. You're just taking it. This is number 7, or I'm sorry, 6. I can't count tonight. Here's number 7, and here's number 8. So now that we have these, we want them so that the inside, you can see the inside on one side, on the bottom, and on the top, everything is closed. So you want to take them so that you've got like your Y. Everything on the outside, there's no openings to the inside. On the other side, the reverse side, you see where everything's on the inside. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your outside and you're going to take your single and it's going to go into a double. So I'm going to take one and put it in there. I'm putting it right between the 2 pieces. It slides, and then I'm going to take these little pieces that are hanging over and fold them to the inside, just like that. And then you can see that you can move it. And then you'll take another one and you'll do the same thing. You'll put the closed single into the double area and fold those over. Do the same thing with the next piece and so on and so forth all the way around until you get to piece number 8. Piece number 8, you need to be careful with inserting and clipping in there, because it's a little bit of a tight piece to get. Okay, so I've got all 7 together right now. I need to get this piece into that piece so that it becomes a nice round circle. So I'm going to continue on by putting my last piece into number 7. And then I'm going to carefully maneuver my piece there. And I'm just going to fold that in on either side of the piece that's in. There's your finished wreath. Come back for next week. We will be doing a Santa gnome. I hope you enjoyed the project, and I will see you guys next week. Thanks a lot.